fire.
The fire was very large.
Let me check the fire truck. Too small.
Let me build a new one. Let's build a fire truck. Step 1. Build fire truck's body. Step 2. Build fire truck's wheels. Step 3. Build fire truck's water tank. Step 4. Build fire truck's head. Step 5. Build fire truck's ladder. Step 6. Testing moving fire truck. Step 7. Testing fire truck sprinkler.
Yay, let's go.
How it works. Let's evacuate. The fire was under control.
Oh no.
Let me move the car.
Oh no, out of water. We must look for water sources.
I found it.
The sprinkler is full. Let's put out the fire. Don't worry. Come on, kitten. Your kitten was safe.
Oh, Mr. Fireman, thank you.
Hooray.
Thank you.
What's happening?
Orbeez are destroying our city.
Help me. Is anyone here? Help me get out of here.
Help me.
Get me out of here.
Help me.
Don't worry. I've got you.
Thank you. You save us.
Crossing the Orbeez pool, we will be safe.
But how can we pass across the river?
Ah, I have an idea. The stepper vehicle. Step 1. Build the car body. Step 2. Build the pedal. Step 3. Complete installation.
Let's go. Wow, the stepper vehicle is moving.
Yeah!
Woohoo!
We're almost across the Orbeez pool.
Yeah!
Woohoo!
Yeah,
We are safe.
Wait, we need food. Reserve. I'm hungry.
Okay.
No.
The container have been damaged.
We need a car that can handle the containers better. I think so.
Let me install another car. The wheeled vehicle? Step 1. Build the car body. Step 2. Build the wheel. Step 3. Complete installation.
Look, the wheeled vehicle is moving.
Great. Fighting. Yeah, we did it.
Everyone's supplies are safe.
Thank you, Mr. Hand.
It's all thanks to you.
You saved us.
You're welcome. Let me out of here.
Release me.
Shut up. What's that sound?
Oh no! Emergency! Emergency!
Let's go! The dinosaur is coming!
Oh my god!
Warning! Warning!
Go away! Go away!
Help! Help me!
Oh
Help me go out!
Mommy, help me!
Hello.
Mr. Hand, we need help right now.
Okay, I will try my best. How to build the police robot. The police robot's legs. The police robot's body. The police robot's arms. The police robot's head. Start. The head operates. The arms operate. The legs operate. How the police robot work?
The T-Rex is chewing on the police.
Determine the target.
Help me! Get out of my jail cell!
Compatibility. Shooting.
Yes, kill the dinosaur!
Kill it.
Out of bullets. Out of bullets. Defensibility. Under punch.
Yeah, the dinosaurs are dead.
The police robot killed them.
The police robot, save us.
Help!
Loaded gun. Transportation capacity.
I will escape from this prison.
Completed.
No chance of catching me.
Conditions.
I have to get out of here. This pool is disgusting.
This pool is so dirty.
Oh my god.
Gross! Too dirty.
Disgusting. Too dirty. We can't swim here.
Someone has to clean this place.
Why so much trash here? Someone has to clean this place.
Great idea. Everyone,
let's help clean the pool.
Okay.
Clean it up!
I'll wash up this area.
So tired.
But there's still a lot of trash.
What about the pool?
We need to clean it too.
There's too much trash.
I think we need to find another solution.
I've got an idea. 2 hours later. The water cleaning machine is operating.
Well done. Good job.
The pool is almost clean.
We're about to swim.
Oh no, what about this pile of trash? We can't clean all it up.
Don't worry, I have this garbage truck.
Really?
Look, their garbage truck is full of trash.
It's gonna help us clean all it up.
Yeah!
The garbage truck is full.
Too dirty.
The pool is completely clean.
The pool has been cleaned. Everyone can go swimming now.
Time to swim.
The pool is clean now. Yeah, let's swimming.
Oh!
Water cleaning machine. How to build. Step 1. Build the conveyor. Step 2. Build the support structures. Step 3. How does it work? The street sweeper. How to build. Step 1. Build the body. Step 2. Build the conveyor. Step 3. Build the brush zone. Step 4. Build the head. Step 5. Testing the street sweeper.